Okay, something huge is happening in the world of online traffic right now. And I mean, it's completely rewriting the rule book for SEO as we know it. So let's dive in and break down what this actually means for you. All right, let me just kick things off with a question for you. Is that SEO strategy you've been working on, the one you've spent years perfecting, is it possible it's already out of date? Because trust me, the rise of these new AI answer engines is changing absolutely everything. For the longest time, SEO meant just one thing: get to the top of Google. But we are officially entering a brand new era. SEO isn't just about Google anymore. There's a totally new source of traffic out there, high converting traffic, that the smartest marketers are already jumping on. I mean, just think about it. What if you could get your content, your products, your services directly in front of an audience that's already past the research phase? They are literally ready to pull out their credit cards and buy. Well, that's what's happening right now. So, who's this new player that's shaking up the game? It's time to meet Perplexity AI. This is the platform that's making all of us rethink our entire approach to getting seen online. So, what is it? Put simply, Perplexity is an AI-powered answer engine. And that word answer is the key. It doesn't just throw a list of blue links at you and say, good luck. No, it gives you one direct, summarized answer to your question. And here's the magic of how it works. When you ask it something like, hey, what's the best laptop for video editing under $1,000? Perplexity zips across the entire internet in real time. It pulls together the latest specs, opinions from experts, what real users are saying in reviews, and it boils it all down into one simple, practical answer. It literally does all the homework for you. And this brings us to a really crucial distinction: the difference between a classic search engine and a modern answer engine. They're built for two totally different types of people with two totally different mindsets. Just look at this contrast. It says it all. On Google, you get the links, right? The burden of research is on you. You're in the search phase, clicking around, opening tabs. But with Perplexity, the AI's already done that legwork. You get a direct answer. See, the user isn't really searching anymore. They're in the decision phase. And this right here is the absolute game changer. The people using Perplexity are at the very end of their customer journey. This is a ready-to-buy audience. And that is exactly why every savvy marketer and content creator out there is scrambling to figure out how to show up on this platform. So the million-dollar question: how in the world do you rank on Perplexity? Well, it's not about the old tricks, keywords, backlinks. Forget all that. It's a much smarter, more intuitive approach. Let's break it down, step by step. Okay, there are basically 5 golden rules for Perplexity SEO. You need to write content that's based on questions, you've got to keep it fresh, build real authority, structure your pages for super clear answers, and maybe, most importantly, you need to sound like an actual human being. Let's dig into each one. First up, you have to mirror how your users think and talk. People ask Perplexity direct questions, so your content has to give them direct answers. Look at this example. Just by rephrasing a generic blog title into a real question, you're creating something that Perplexity's AI can instantly recognize and say, aha, this page has the answer. Next, freshness. This is absolutely non-negotiable. Think of Perplexity's AI as being allergic to old news. Because it's connected to the live web, it actively ignores outdated info. If your article is still talking about stats from 2021, the AI is just going to skip right over it. The easiest fix? Slap the current year in your title and make sure you're using the latest data you can find. All right, step 3 is all about building authority. Perplexity's AI is designed to value credibility above almost everything else. So you need to show your work, cite trusted external sources. When you reference expert sites like TechRadar or pull in real user reviews from places like Flipkart or even link to discussions on Reddit, you're sending a powerful signal to the AI that your content is trustworthy and well-researched. Step 4 is just be clear. Nobody likes reading a giant wall of text. And you know what? Neither does an AI. It gets confused by long, dense paragraphs. So structure your content logically. Use short sentences, bullet points, and super clear headings. Breaking things down into simple categories like price, features, pros and cons, it makes it a breeze for the AI to understand. And hey, it's way better for your human readers too. It's a total win-win. And finally, we have step 5, engage like a human. Honestly, this might be the most important rule of all. Perplexity's AI is smart enough to analyze tone. It actually prefers a natural, conversational style over that old, robotic, keyword-stuffed writing. So my best advice is this. When you're writing, just imagine you're explaining it to a friend over coffee. Keep it simple and relatable. So when you put all these pieces together, what does it all mean? Well, it's so much more than just a new list of tactics to follow. It's really a fundamental mindset shift in how we need to think about creating content online. We have to get away from this obsession with being number one. In this new AI-driven world, the goal isn't just to rank anymore. The goal is to be the clearest, most credible, and most helpful answer to someone's question. Period. And I think this quote just nails it perfectly. The future of your online visibility isn't going to be decided by how many keywords you crammed onto a page. It's going to be decided by the quality and clarity of your answers. So I'm going to leave you with a little challenge, a little piece of homework. After this, go to Perplexity. Search for your company, your brand, your product, or just the industry you're in. What does the AI say about you? Does it even mention you? The answer to that question will tell you everything you need to know about whether you're ready for the future of search or if it's time to get to work.